it's Tanisha Nicole here, and today I'm going to be doing a first impression / review video on the new Pro Filter Concealer from Fenty Beauty. I'm also going to be showing you guys one of her new shades that she came out with. If you guys don't know, Rihanna added 10 more shades to her foundation line, which is like crazy, because when she came out the first round, I feel like she came out guns a-blazing, honey. So the fact that she went in and added 10 more shades is even more phenomenal. I will say that the first round, I kind of did have a hard time finding my shade. It was a lot of different options, but I never really felt like I found the shade that was just right for me. So today I'm going to be trying the new 385 foundation. Which looks like this, and I'm going to be trying the concealer. Oh, I didn't even take it out of the box, but in the concealer. Love how brand is so cohesive and everything to me just complements each other very well. Like, for example, this is the concealer, this is the foundation, and this is the primer. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. I'm really just excited to try this stuff because I'm all here for Rihanna. I know that everybody's like, oh, Rihanna, where's the music? Where's the music? And I'm like, no. I might be the only one that's like, no, girl, keep the makeup coming, honey. Keep it coming, Rihanna. I just went in with the Pro Filter Primer. And for those of you guys who have not tried the primer, it literally feels so nice on the skin. Oh my god, super nice. I would definitely recommend this primer. It's lit. All right, now we're gonna go in with the foundation. Like I said, I am 385. Prior to her coming out with 385, I was the shade, I want to say 420. I want to say 420. It was always like just a little off to me. So I'm excited to try this 385. So I just took some on the back of my hand like this, if you guys can see. Go in and add this. I kind of feel like this might be perfect. It might be perfect for me. I'm so excited. Who loves like just trying new makeup? Like, I love trying new makeup. Just start with my beauty blender, and I'm gonna start patting this in to the skin. Oh, honey. Yeah, I'm excited. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more of this foundation. Oh, that looks so ugly on my nail. Yeah. So 385 is literally perfect. So if you guys are like close to my shade, I would highly recommend 385. Like, this is like my skin. Like, girl, I'm shooketh. Oh, my eyeshadow is kind of messed up. I'm just trying to make sure that I have everything like blended out nicely. So far, we are off to a good start. My skin looks lit, okay? In person, this literally looks perfect. Girl. I'm hype. Okay. Now, let's move on to the concealer. I don't know, y'all. Rihanna was like, I did not come to play with you guys. I didn't come to play. Now, okay. This is the shade 330 in the concealer. What Rihanna launched her concealers to complement whatever shade you're in. So for example, if I am shade 385, then I should be able to use 385 concealer, and the 385 concealer would be complementary to my shade of foundation. Now me, I'm a little extra, okay? So I like my under eye highlight to be popping, like Metro Boomin, okay? So for that reason, I got 330. Now, 330, I'll just kind of like swatch it on my hand. 330 looks like this on my hands, and yeah, this, like 330 is probably like, I'm gonna say maybe like, hold on, I'm gonna say 330 might be like 3 to 4 shades lighter than my skin. So we're just gonna go ahead and, oh, it's not that bad. Oh, okay, let's see. I'm gonna just go ahead and pop this underneath my eye. Now, if you guys don't like to be hella bright underneath your eyes, then I would say definitely go with your shade that's closest to your foundation shade. If you guys like something a little bit more subtle, but I like to be out here. Like, I want y'all to see my highlight from Mars, from outer space, you feel me? So let's see. This is what I'm looking like, a little tribal princess. And now we're gonna go in and just blend it out. One thing I will say that I just noticed as I applied this foundation is this is uber creamy. Like, I love the consistency. Like, it feels super good. Hold on. Let me just blend this out, hold on. Ooh. I'm getting so excited. Hella excited, like Rihanna. Who? Sis, what are you trying to prove? And I'm not trying to gas this because this is Rihanna, like, because I'm gonna be 100 with you guys. When I found out Rihanna was like initially coming out with a makeup line, I was kind of thinking like, why? You know what I mean? Like, don't get me wrong, Rihanna is a very beautiful, stunning woman, but when I think about makeup, she's not, you know, someone that I instantly think of like, oh, I want my makeup like Rihanna's. Like, that's not something that I find myself saying. So I really feel like sis was like, oh, well, this is not even all that bright. Well, at least not in person. But I feel like sis really shocked me. And she is killing. She's killing. Whoever is on the Fenty Beauty team, girl, this is hitting, okay? So I'm gonna just go in and just add a little bit more because I just want to be extra. But yeah, this is like perfect. At first I was like, maybe this might be a little bit too light, but sister, it's not bad at all. And I don't know, some reviews were saying like a little bit goes a long way. Like, I feel like you can just put it on like how you normally put it on. Or maybe I'm just heavy-handed anyway, but I'm here for this concealer. Like, what? Like, this is giving me all of my life. Oops. This is giving me so much life, guys. Oh my God. Like, what? Now I'm kind of feeling like I wish I would have bought the powder, but I really didn't feel like her little translucent setting powders or whatever type of face powders that she came with, I didn't feel like it was really like a necessity for me. But now I'm like hella shook. Like, Rihanna just literally came through and snatched my edges. Like, can we get into this? Can we get into this? Wow, like, I am literally legitimately blown away. I may have to go back and buy the powder. Like, like, I wish I'm trying to think of something negative to say because this literally can't be that perfect. Like, Rihanna, you sis, like, what? All right, now I'm just gonna go in and just finish with the rest of my face. I'm kind of mad now. Like, I wish I would have got the powder. Like, what was I thinking? But I was like, no, I just bought because I'm using the Kat Von D Lock-It container. I brought some banana setting powder that I can't think of the name of the company right now. I don't know if it was Make a Revolution or somebody, but I recently brought a new one, but I put it in here just because I like this container. And I was like, okay, I'm not gonna buy the diamond powder because I literally, like, it's not a necessity for me. But now I'm trying the concealer and this new foundation. I'm like, well, honey, maybe I need to go and get it just off of GP. Like, I cannot believe like how much, like, I'm really feeling this. Like, this looks so good. Like, I hope my camera is doing it justice. Like, girl, whew, I'm beat, honey. And the gag is though, is that it's literally 10:46. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's literally 10:46. So the gag is that I'm not even going anywhere. But now I feel like I need to go somewhere. Like, where are we going? Where are we going? But yeah, so I'm just gonna stop rambling and set my under eye concealer and see how it sets. Ooh. I'm gonna just leave that there. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God. Am I the only person that gets excited about new makeup? Especially, it's bomb. Like, what? And can we be 100 here, people? I was almost about to, that's why my review is coming late, because I was so close to not even like buying this. Like, oh yeah, like I was gonna be like, I really don't feel like I really need it. Like, do I really need another concealer? Honey, this is lit. Like, I'm literally, when I'm done this video, I kid you not, I'm probably gonna go in there and order more shades of this concealer, because I would just love to get like a darker shade to kind of like see how it cream contours. Sis, like, I am shook. I'm shook, okay? Like, Rihanna, yes, I'm super hyped. I'm mad hyped over some makeup. Oh my God. Do you guys see how this freaking blends? Even with this, I'm sorry, I don't know what translucent powder this is, but even it complements this so well. Like, when I tell y'all, I'm like snatched, like snatched, okay? This looks so good. I'm trying to figure out who, somebody please explain to me what Rihanna was trying to prove. Like, this is some stuff that you do when you gotta let know what's up. Like, who made her mad? I'm sorry, y'all. This is, oh God, I'm 22 minutes in. All right, let me finish dressing my face. I'm really shook. I may have went a little overboard with the concealer. I mean, with the contour. Beat to the gods. Okay, now I'm going to take this MAC Cork lip liner. I'm going to take this NYX Slip Tease in Chic Appeal, sorry. I'm loving this lip combo lately. Now I need to hurry because my camera's about to die. I'm about to take the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. Now I'm gonna go in with Hustler Baby from Rihanna to just highlight the bridge of my nose a little bit, and the center of my nose, and a little bit of my brow. bone. Sis. And I'm gonna kind of top it too over here. And that's because you can never have too much highlighter. You know this. So let me take this off. Whew, I feel so beat, y'all. Like, where am I going? Where am I going? So let me just fix this. Okay, so yes, sis, like, get into this. Okay, so here's my final thoughts. Rihanna, I am here for all of this. I love the foundation. I live for the concealer. Like, my favorite go-to concealer prior to this was the Shape Tape, I want to say, by Tarte, and I also was feeling the Too Faced one, I think the Born This Way concealer. But this, hands down, easily my favorite concealer. Like, y'all, I wish y'all could see my face in person. I hope that my camera is doing it justice. But honey, when I tell y'all I got lipstick in my teeth. But when I tell you guys that my makeup is lit, honey, she is lit. Like, Can't nobody tell me nothing, okay? Can't nobody say nothing to me. So for all you haters in the comments, I'm like, nah, I don't like it, like, y'all can't tell me nothing. Like, y'all opinion does not matter. It's invalid, okay? Rihanna did it. Like, it's makeup companies that's been in the game 40, 50 years strong, and Rihanna has easily came through and just wrecked house. Like, I'm cool. Rihanna, if you don't ever want to drop music another day in your life, I am cool. I'm here for it. Because this heat that you're giving us, that you're blessing us with, sis, it is greatly appreciated. Okay, so this was my first impression of the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 385 and the Fenty concealer in the shade 330. I hope you guys found this video informative, because I'm gonna be honest, I was not expecting to fall in love with these products as much as I did. Like, Rihanna just snatched my wig off. She snatched my soul. She snatched everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful. If you guys haven't tried the foundation yet or the concealer yet, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you guys give it a try. Like I said previously in the video, I'm gonna be honest. To me, Rihanna does not come off as like a makeup person to me when she first launched her line from the very beginning. But Rihanna is slowly but surely showing us that she is a force to be reckoned with in the makeup community, and I am here for it. I wholeheartedly love this. I'm not being biased because Rihanna, this video was not paid. She didn't send me this stuff. I went out and I bought it with my own money, and I hope that you guys like it and give it a try. If you do, leave a comment below. You guys literally cannot tell me anything with this makeup. I'm so obsessed. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.